Today is Saturday, December 5th, 2020, and we will be doing a complete home fire alarm test today. We'll be starting with a walk test followed by a general signal test. Let's get started. So, first things first, put the panel in walk test. And I'm gonna not showing the passcode there. Walk test, on, signal. Alright, we are in walk test. Alright, let's start with the pole station. Next we'll do the detector in the panel room. Spray a little bit of smoke in there. And you just saw this strobe right here flash as well. Alright, so we're still in level 3. So we're going to log out of walk test. And what you just saw there is that a device appears to still be an alarm, so this might not be as simple as we thought it would be. So basically, if a device is still an alarm, when that happens, you have obviously 30 seconds to escape and stay in walk test, or else the device will go off. So I will see you once I'm able to get out of walk test, and then we'll do a bell test real quick. Alright, so now it's time for a bell test. So what we're going to do is that I'm actually going to take this key from the panel, and we're going to go key activate the pole station at the top of the stairs. So I'll just Alright, so that concludes another semi-annual fire alarm test. This was a complete test of the home system just to see if it would set off audibles as it was supposed to, and at the same time check to make sure that an alarm registered properly. So, with that said, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out all those links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.